Whoa, it smells delicious. So what's up friends, it's me again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cheeseburger. I already have two buns here which I baked yesterday, but I'm not going to use them. I'm gonna try to do a magic trick. Now I take the basket with the two buns, I put it right here, and I need a magic towel. I'm gonna put it over and I say the magic word, abracadabra. So there it is, a giant bun. How cool is this? Because I'm in Europe, I'm gonna make a royal with cheese.
Royale with cheese, that's right.
Because it's a classic recipe, I don't need too many ingredients. What you need, it's minced meat, fresh onion, pickles, ketchup and mustard, cheese, salt and pepper, and of course our giant bun. I'm gonna start with the minced meat. Now I'm going to grill the patty. Whoa, it is ready! How cool is this? Our royale with cheese, it's ready. By the way, if you want to know how I made this bun, please let a comment in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, push the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.